What's up, everyone? This is the BXPR Collector here. I bought myself a box of WWE Then, Now, and Forever 2018 trading cards. I don't know if you're interested in this, but like I said in the first video, I'm gonna do a little bit of everything. And I also got two single packs. One of them I already opened, so let me show you what's in it. We have Ember Moon, Goldust, uh, Lacey Evans, Mojo Rawley, Macho Man Randy Savage, Beth Phoenix, Trent Stevens, Scott Dawson, Rowe, Nikki Cross, Carl Anderson, Bailey, Bray Wyatt, Macho Man versus Ric Flair, Fandango, Stone Cold Steve Austin, Kurt Angle, Goldberg. There's one McMahon, apparent suicide. The limo blew up. Dolph Ziggler, and Mr. Perfect. So what I'm planning to do is just open up some of these in front of you, and we can see what I got together. It might take some time because it's a lot of freaking cards. It's 10 packs. And let's open this one first. So I've always been into WWE. I always buy all the games and stuff. So okay, let's see what we got here. Triple H and Undertaker. The Undertaker, Triple H, Scott Hall, Yokozuna. This is Triple H again. Bray Wyatt. Something about this card. I don't know if it's a special card. It's different. NWO, Macho Man. Another Nikki Cross. Another Rowe. Another Scott Dawson. These all repeats, it looks like. I'm not about to read all that if they all repeats. Okay, Drake Maverick. Bianca Belair. Alexander Wolf. Okay. I've been watching WWE since I was a baby. My father used to put me in his little bed in front of the TV. You just watch WWE. Here's The Miz. It's John Cena, Roddy Piper, Ricochet, Shane Thorne, Ty Dillinger, and Shinsuke Nakamura. We got Stone Cold here, Bret Hart, Samoa Joe, Mark Andrews, Roman Reigns, Ronda Rousey, Dash Wilder. I know the WWE doesn't compare to how it used to be in the old days, the Attitude Era. Kind of sucks now. SmackDown's better than Raw, that's for sure. Here's the Shield. Another Triple H. Finn Balor. Killian Dane, I think is Nikki Bella. Sasha Banks. And the Velveteen Dream. This one's supposed to be a special card. Relic card inside. I'll open that in a few. Hey. Another Triple H. Jeff Hardy. Here's Tyranna Coney. I don't know. Cunty. Shawn Michaels. One of my favorites. Edge. Kane. And Harper. The thing I don't like about these packs is that you don't get no, like the old school Marvel, used to get the freaking holograms and hologram or something, you know. It's just plain, I think. Kevin Owens and John Cena, The Miz, EC3, Big Show, Akam, Luke Gallows, and Eddie Guerrero. We almost through. This video's gone a little long. I'm not trying to. Kurt Angle, Daniel Bryan and Kane, Andre the Giant, Tucker Knight, Ruby Riott, Razor, and Nick Miller. Just 4 packs to go. Guess I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible. Okay, Triple H and Ric Flair, Stone Cold, Hall of Fame Roddy Piper, Tyler Breeze, another Mr. Perfect, Becky Lynch, and Candice LeRae. I guess we got what, 3 packs left? 2 or 3. 7 cards a pack. Bret Hart, Undertaker, $1 Million Man, Fabian Archer, Cassius Ohno, Peyton Royce, and Sami Zayn. Yep, 2 packs left. And then the main event. Hopefully I got something good. Here's Evolution, Edge, Tino Sabarelli, Bret Hart, Otis, Bobovic, Mandy Rose, and Lince Dorado. Last one. Okay, it's already almost 8 minutes. AJ and John Cena, Roman Reigns, Woken Matt Hardy, Jeff Hardy, Dolph Ziggler, Bobby Lashley, and Andrade. Now let's see what was the special card. Hope we signed it. Okay. Caesar John Cena. And John Cena, I guess is a piece of a shirt or something. He won an authentic worn shirt relic. SRJC number 10 of 25. Not bad. Alright, so that was the unboxing, you could say. These WWE cards. So I'll see you in the next video. Got some comics to show. So like, subscribe, favorite, and see you in the next video. Peace.